everyone, welcome back. So, in yesterday's video, we have talked about semaphore concept, where we have talked about how to create the keys and how to use the keys in the semaphore diagram. If you didn't see that video, I'll link that in the description box. You can go there and check it out. And by the end of session of yesterday, we have talked about how we are going to create a key, and I have also showed you an example in creating one key and using that key by using put and get options, right? And in today's video, we'll be seeing some more examples of that. Like here, in yesterday we have created only one key, but if you see the example here, I have created three keys. Okay, we'll be seeing how we are going to use the semaphore by using the three keys. Like the concept, everything is same here. I have created a semaphore with three keys, and I am creating two processes. Okay, process A and process B. So within my process A, I have taken all the three keys. Since I have taken all the three keys for my process A, obviously process B doesn't get two keys. Why is it? Because I have taken all the three keys for process A. So that is why what happens here, in this first this thing will be displayed like process A is started, and then after 5 nanoseconds process B will be completed, and then after this particular process will be, after this particular semaphore will be putting those three keys, then only the second process will be starting. Now after this, then the process B will be started, and after 4 nanoseconds process B will be completed. So when you are running these two processes with a fork and join, what will be the flow? Process A is started, process A is completed, and then the process B will be started, and then the process B will be completed. Now if you run this particular code and see the output, let us see what the output will be. Like, see, as I told you, process A is started, process A is completed, and then the process B will be started, and then the process B will be completed. In this way we will see. Now if you see this particular concept here, okay, I have created three keys and I have taken those three keys, and again I have kept those again three keys itself, and then within that I am again taking two keys and again kept keeping the two keys. Now for this same thing, we can do one more thing also. Like if you see here, even though I have created three keys, and after taking those three keys, it is not mandatory that I can keep only those three keys. I can keep four keys also. Okay, now what happens? Since even though I have taken three keys, since I am adding one more key and giving that to that particular semaphore, so now the total keys that are there with that semaphore is 4. Okay, so now if I want, I can use those 4 keys. But here as of now I have just used those 3 keys itself. But if I am taking this, I can take those 4 keys and I can again keep this 4 keys. Now if you see this particular thing running, again the process will be same. Like if you see here, I have taken the 3 keys, and then after completion of that particular process, I have kept those 4 keys away. Okay, I have added one more key and I have kept 4 keys. Now the process B has taken 4 keys, and then it is completing that. After completing the process, it is keeping the 4 keys. Now let us see one more thing here. For this same thing, I am going to change one more thing here. If you see, okay, now I am going to make one more task with name process C instead of process B. Along with process B, I am naming one more task which is process C. Okay, now what I am doing is I am going to add this. I am going to add this in my particular fourth join also. Okay, so now if you see here, okay, I have created 3 keys, and for my process here I am taking 3 keys and I am putting back 4 keys. Now for this process B, I am taking those 4 keys and again I am putting back 4 keys itself. Now for this process C, if you see here, I am taking 5 keys and I am keeping back 5 keys. Now let us see what will happen when we run this code. Okay. So if you see, after running this code, only the two things like process A is started completed, process B started completed. But even though I have added process C with process C started and process C completed, but it is never been executed. Why? because I created three keys. I have given four keys to that particular semaphore. Again, I have taken for these four keys. I have returned four keys. But after returning four keys, how can I expect the semaphore to give me five keys? Is it or not? Whatever you are giving, that are there with that semaphore. So the semaphore can only give you four keys. But what you are doing, you are expecting five keys. So since the semaphore can't give you five keys, this particular process will be ignored. So this particular process won't be run. Okay. Now, for example, if you keep five here and now you are expecting five keys, then obviously the semaphore can run, because since the semaphore is having your five keys, now you run this particular code. See, process A started completed, B started completed, C started, because you are giving that particular process 5. So you can expect 5 and again put 5. Got my point? So in this way, even though you have created with 3 keys also, when you are keeping more keys, then the next process can expect the more keys. Got my point? So this is how the semaphore with more keys. When you want more keys, you can do this. Like even though you have created with less number of keys also, when you are keeping, when you are giving the semaphore keys by using the put option, then you can expect more keys for the next options. Like for the next process can expect the more keys. Like yes. So this is all. And in the next class we are going to talk about mailbox, and also in the semaphore we are having the try get option. We'll see that, and also about this mailboxes also. So this is all for today. Thank you.